Now that we have exported our inputs and output variables from the EasyLine transfer, we can launch EasyPLC Editor from our desktop. So once we have EasyPLC up, we can go to File, and we will see in File that there is New Project, Open Project. Or we can drop down below, go to these two icons of New Project and Open Project. For this example, we're going to select Open Project. When we select that, we're going to go to the drop down of Easy Transfer Line, which is the set of variables that we just exported. So we'll select that and then Open. Now we can go in and check. If we look at the input-output devices, we see that there were 32. Now we know we didn't use all 32, but we know that those are there. And then if we look at the program language under software, we look at main and the main sequence, we can see this is the code that was written for the EasyLine transfer. So with this, then we want to save that code. So we go to the save icon. Then we would compile the project. So we're going to take that language and compile that project. So we'll select this icon, and then we will compile and send the project because we want to connect with the virtual PLC. So you can see that we get those messages. It's uploading the PLC program. And then we want to go to launch virtual PLC. So we'll click this icon. We get our confirmation message. We're going to have the option here to now connect online with the PLC. So we'll select that. It says it's connecting, and now down here we see that the PLC is in stop mode. If we wanted to place it in start mode, we could go to connection, set virtual CPU to run mode, and you see that it turns green. Or we can set it to stop mode, and then it'll go back to red. So now we'll just minimize this program, and we'll go back and launch Machine Simulator for zSpace.